In which state Jamshedpur iron and steel industry situated? Answer B. Jharkhand. Which one of the industry refers as basic industry? Answer B. Iron and steel industry. Which is an example of footloose industry? Answer C. Cement industry. Which one of is not an example of public sector? Answer A. Airtel. Which one is not a feature of new industrial policy 1991? Answer D. Maximum interference of government. Which one of the following is the second largest producer of sugar? Answer B. Maharashtra. A city also referred as Silicon City. Answer C. Bengaluru. How many sugar factories were established in India in the year 2010 to 2011? Answer C. 662. Which is an example of pure raw material? Answer C. Cotton. Jute mills are mostly located in? Answer C. Hooghly Basin. Which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? Answer B. Cement. First cotton textile industry was founded in? Answer B. Fort Gloucester. In which of the following states is Rourkela steel plants located? Answer C. Odisha. Which one of the following industries manufactures telephones, computers, etc.? Answer D. Information technology. In which of the following cities of Gujarat has the largest petroleum refinery been set up? Answer A. Jamnagar. Which is not a factor of industrial location? Answer C. Population density. Which city is known as Manchester of North India? Answer A. Kanpur. When was the new industrial policy announced? Answer C. 1991. In which year was the first modern cotton mill set up? Answer C. 1854. The concentration of the jute industry in West Bengal is in this region. Answer C. Hora and Bhatapara. 60% of sugar mills are concentrated in which of the following states? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Which of the following factors are not necessary to set up an iron and steel plant? Answer C. Nearness to a water body to discharge waste. Where was the first port-based plant which started operating in 1992 set up? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Manufacturing is an activity of which type? Answer B. Secondary. Which of the following industry uses bauxite as a raw material? Answer A. Aluminium. Which one of the following agencies market steel for the public sector plants? Answer B. SAIL. Air pollution is caused by? Answer B. Presence of high proportion of sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and airborne particulates materials. The earliest iron and steel company to be established in India was? Answer A. ISCO. The nucleus of the high industrial region is? Answer A. Kolkata, Howrah. Which is the largest producer of sugar in India? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh,